Guys, let's evaluate some math problem. Now, please, this channel is not only made for chemistry. We learn math, chemistry, and physics. So here we have simplify the following. Here we have a simple fraction problem. You understand? So this is what I want to teach here is a foundation aspect to what mathematics. So we want to pay close attention. As easy as this thing may look like, a lot of students will still have issues with it because they don't know the concept of what BODMAS. So for you to evaluate fraction, you must understand the concept of BODMAS. BODMAS. Now, this B stands for brackets. Brackets. Either this O means off. This D means what? Division. Division. This M is what? Multiplication. Multiplication. This A means what? Addition. And this M means what? Subtraction. Do you understand? So when you are evaluating math problem or fraction, the concept of BODMAS must be applied, and I'm going to show you how you can use BODMAS to evaluate this problem here. So you want to stick to the end of this video here. Evaluate the first one. Let's evaluate the first one. So I'm going to divide this board here. So let's take the first one. Here we have 1 over number 1 over what? 2 over 2 divided by 1 over 4 of 32. Now, before you do it here, you have to convert the mixed fraction to what? Proper fraction. Just and that you do that here. This is the mixed fraction. Therefore, you have to convert to what? To proper what? Fraction. How do you do that here? 2 times 1 plus 1. Just and so 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is what? Is 3. So that's going to be 3 over 2. So you have converted this to this other one here, right? Divides. Now, here we have 2 divided by 1 over 4 of 32. Now, this is where we want to use the concept of BODMAS. Now, yeah, this is the numerator. Now, this is what denominator, right? In denominator here, now if you look at the concept of BODMAS, right there. Now, this O will come before D. So you say that you have to simplify this to here. You have to simplify this one before this one. So if you should look at it, this of also means times. Whenever you see of in mathematics, it means what? Times. What does it tell you? It means that 1 over 4 times 32. 1 over 4 times 32 is going to be what? 8. So what it means here is that the whole of this one is what is 8. So going to be, so what I'm going to get here going to be 3 over 2 over 2 divided by what? By 8. This is that. Now this one can also be written as 3 over 2 over 2 over what? 8. Can you see that? Now, remember, this one is my numerator, here what my denominator. This one is what is division. You see that? So what I want to do here is to just write like this. 3 over 2 divided by 2 over what? 8. Can you see that? So, remember, when you have division here, you have to change division to what? Multiplication. And when you are changing division to multiplication here, denominator move to numerator move to what? Denominator. As easy as that. So, it's going to be 3 over 2 times 8 over 2, right? So what will happen here? 2 going to this one here, going to give me what? 4, right? Then 2 going to this 2 here, which is going to give me what? 2. So the answer is going to be 3 times 2, which is going to give me what? 6. So 6 is what is the answer. So you have to take it step by step. Hope you understand. Now, let's evaluate this one too. Let's evaluate this one. The number what? 4. So the first one to do here, so we'll convert mixed fraction to what? Proper what? Fraction. So going to be 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is what? Is 16 plus 2. You're going to be what? 19. You're going to be 90 over 4. So yeah, 90 over what? 4, right? Minus 6 over 25. So it will be 25 over what? 4, right? Divide by 4 times 5 is what? 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1 is what? 21. So it will be 21 over what? 5 of 4 times 1 is what? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over what? 4. This is that. So what I want to do here is this. Now, let's play about evaluation here because let's have a denominator. Of means what? Times. Right? So you can evaluate one, you can evaluate one here. So if I should evaluate one here, I have 21 over 5 times 5 over what? 4. What are you going to get? 5, you cancel out 5, right? So what I'm left with is 21 over 4. So this one is 21 over 4. So let's evaluate this one here. 19 over 4 minus 25 over what? 4. Now my LCM here is what? Is 4, right? 4 going to 4 is 1. 1 times 90 is what? Is 19 minus 4 going to 4 is what? Is 1. Here we have 25. So 19 minus 25, what are we going to get? What? Minus 6 over what? 4. This is that. So the denominator here 21 over what? 4. Right up is what? Is 4 over minus 4 over 6. So which is going to be minus 6 over 4 over, here we have 21 over 4. Can you see that? So we evaluate separately. Now, if you should break it down, what's going to be? Minus 6 over 4. Now, this division here, divide by, here we have 21 over 4. Now, let's convert this division to multiplication here. This is that. So, this will move also move down. So, what are you going to get? Here we now have minus 6 over 4 times 4 over 21, right? 4 will go into 4, right? Now, 3 can 6 go into 21. So 3 going to here we have 2 going to here we have 2. 3 going to here be what? So 3 going to here going to be what? 7, right? Going to be what? 7. So what do you have left? Here we now have what? Minus 2 over what? 7. That is your answer. Minus 2 over 7. So that is it here. So now let's evaluate this one here. So now let's evaluate this third one here, right? So here we have 1 over 3 divided by 5 over 7. Then we have 9 over 10 minus 1 plus 3 over 4. Now, remember, according to BODMAS, you must focus on the what? On the bracket, right? So here is the bracket. Now, inside the bracket, there's also another bracket, which is this one here. So I want to evaluate everything in this bracket. Do you understand? So if you should plug everything, if you should bring everything out, here we have 9 over 10 minus 1 over 1 plus 3 over 4, right? Now take the LCM of all these ones here. So if you look at the LCM of 10 and 4, right? So 10 and 4, 2 can go here, right? If 2 go into 10 is what? Is 5, right? Then 2 going to 4 is what? Is 2, right? 2, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5 is what? Is 20. It's 20. So here we have what? The LCM is going to be what? 20, right? 10 going to 20 is 2. 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is what? Is 18 minus 1 going to 20 is what? Is 20. So going to be 20 plus 4 going to 20 is 5. 5 times 3 what? 15. Right? So what I want to do here, minus 18 minus 20 plus 15 give what? 13 over 20, right? 13 over 20. So that is when I evaluate the whole of this one here, you get me what? 13 over 20. So here, what will happen is going to be 1/3 divided by 5/7 times, right? 13 over what? 20. Can you see that? So what I want to do here, 5 going to 5 years 1, 5 going to 20 here we have 4, right? So 4 times 7 is 28, right? So going to be, so here we have 1/3 divided by 1 times 13 is 13 over 4 times 7 is 4 times 7 is 28. Can you see that? What will happen here? Change what to what? 2 times, right? If you change what to times, say we have 1/3 times 28 over what? 13, right? What will happen here? Going to be what? 28 over what? 28 over what? 3 times 13. Here we have what? 39. So this is now the answer here. 28 over what? 29. So this is how to what? Apply BODMAS to solve what? Fraction. Hope you understand.